Hello everybody, it is alarm activation here. Welcome back to another great video. As you guys can see here, we have the ES-50X addressable control panel, and as you can tell, it is a mess. Big old mess in here, yeah, big mess. I did some conduit work, really shitty job, not really, I don't know. Yeah. We have our wires running, and over here, you guys seen this in one of the YouTube shorts of this makeshift T-bar, so yeah. And then as we follow over here, we have the Gentex Commander 3, and then whatever smoke detectors is. And then there's more devices upstairs, but we'll get to that. Not sure you better yet, we'll just get to it. Ignore the mess, ignore the mess. This is just a regular BG12, not an LX. And then we have our system sensors right here. This is a strobe only. And then we have another system sensor right here, which it's a sounder. This is where another smoke detector is going to go when I get the time to run the wires. That's a second. Let's see here. We got our LCD 80, which I am selling because I don't have no options for it. Back downstairs we go. And today we're just gonna do a system test on this system. So yeah, we're gonna do smoke and a pulsation and also a drill test for you guys to see. So first off, what we're gonna start off is with the pulsation. So here we go. Actually, better yet, we're not even gonna reset it. We're just gonna go pull. So 3, 2, 1. Such a beauty. Let's go ahead and reset it. As you guys can see, fire alarm is the monitor. Let's go ahead and acknowledge that. Also, this one's also flashing too. I haven't yet set the assignment. What this strobe's going to be is for the weather radio, so that's going to go off in the weather links. So let's go here, Gentex Commander 3. Let's go upstairs. Oh yeah. Go ahead and silence the system. Readjust my phone here. So yeah, there's that one zone right there. So let's go ahead and reset the system. Shut the cabinet. And I think we should activate the smoke detector with our can of smoke. Let's go ahead and do that. Let's add a shit ton of it. Give it a minute. I think this system has like a delay on it. Any second now. Any second now. Ooh, about to drop the phone. Any second now. Come on. Oh, there we go. It is now activated, and it's back into alarm. You guys can hear the upstairs. As you can see, all these two are flashing. Right there. The photo. And go alarm silence. And we'll go ahead and clear away the smoke, but just with this cardboard plastic right here. So let's go ahead and clear that smoke away from the head so it doesn't go back into alarm. Jesus, this shit stinks. And let's go back in here and reset. And you know, better yet, we'll just go ahead and resound off that smoke detector, but we're going to do a MAC test right here. So I'm gonna go back on here. Wait for it to pull, and I think it's right here. I don't know, I've seen people do it right here by the symbol. I've seen people do it on the head. I don't really know if it doesn't really matter. Come on. Don't be shy. Okay, let's try it right here. Come on. Come on. Yep, there we go. Back on. Ouch! Ow! Ooh, that kind of hurt. Let's get started here. We also have a communicator, which I don't really know if I'll be planning to hook that up to this. Alright, you see it right here. Silence in the system. Reset. And for our last little test, we'll hit the demo button for you guys. And let's go ahead and do it. Always a fan of the LEDs. Okay, thanks. And reset. And I appreciate you guys for watching this video. If you guys liked it, make sure you guys like and subscribe if you guys want to see more important content, because I'll be getting more devices. Anyway, guys, you guys have a good rest of your day, and thanks for watching.